Hi everybody, this is Artist Key back with another video. So first of all, I have to say I'm still trying to find my niche with this. I'm still trying to find my thing. And one of the things I discovered last couple of weeks is that I like doing things free. I like just going for it and just being free. But so today I did like two different videos before I got to this one. And although I finished the others, I just didn't feel like I wasn't, you're just not like the young folks that you're not feeling it. I wasn't feeling them today. So I decided to do another one that's a freestyle type thing. And I've discovered while doing this that I kind of like these because there's no set way. You don't have to go between the lines. You could go outside the lines and do whatever. The eyes don't have to line up. The ears don't have to look like real ears and all that stuff. And you could pretty much do what you want with it. So I'm trying another one like this today. I don't know what would happen by Saturday. Because what I discovered about myself is that I paint according to my moods. Sometimes I may be in a mood to do something really structured, and sometimes I might just say, forget that. And what I also discovered is that I never really allowed myself to just be free with my artwork. I always felt like I had to do it a certain way and fall into a certain category, and it has to look a certain way. So I am glad for freedom. I thank God for freedom to do whatever the heck I want to do on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really do. I had fun doing it. I don't know what my mood will be by Friday when I have to do another video, because I used to have 8-9 videos made up and just press whatever and put them on. But I've stopped doing that because I just want to do what I'm feeling at the moment. And there were so many other things I wanted to do with this particular piece, but I'm tired. I had a day off today, and I don't know if it's my body's tired or my mind is tired, and I just need to kind of rest. I don't know if I'm getting burnt out. I hope not. But I don't know. So this is what I came up with. So I hope you guys really like this video. So I want to also ask you guys to please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, because it will help more people. I'm pretty sure there's other people out there that might like this video. It will give other people a chance to see what I do. But if you guys don't hit that like button, YouTube won't show it to anybody. So I'm making a plea. This is an official plea to you guys, to the people watching this video, that you will give it a thumbs up so that it can be seen by more people on YouTube. Okay, so do not forget, leave a comment. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a comment. Share with someone if you feel like you want to do that. And most of all, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you will know when I post, because a lot of people, if they don't get notifications, they forget. So just 2 small requests I'm asking you guys to do today. And like I said, I don't know what I'll be in the mood to do by Saturday. So enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you for watching, guys. And I will see you next Saturday. No, this coming Saturday. I will see you on Saturday, when I am sure I'll have something else for you. And I hope it's something totally different to this one that I'm doing here. So, okay, so you guys, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on Saturday. Okay, bye now.